friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a decorate my card with me, and I've already made my card. This is a slim Christmas greeting card, and if you wish to see the dimensions that I've used and how I construct my slim cards, I will leave you with a link in the area right underneath this video. So let's go ahead and get started. In today's slim card making process, I'm using the Snowflake Splendor etched dies from the Christmas Cascade collection by Becca Feeken. You can find a link to this set of dies in the description area of this video. As you can see, I've already die cut all of my pieces. Plus, I have a couple of leftover die cuts from my last slim card making tutorial. I've die cut pieces in both watercolor paper and gold mirror cardstock. It is my intention to use the gold die cuts as shadow pieces to my light ones. Because I plan to use gold on this framed piece, I decided to use vellum to tone down the gold on the designer paper. Next, I place my die cut sentiment over the vellum to see where I'm going to add the sentiments. Now here's a tip that I got from my friend Amador of AmadorCraftKit.com. Because vellum reveals glue spots, you hide those glue spots by positioning and gluing your die cut sentiments right over those glue spots. Okay, so now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the gold mirror die cut pieces and kind of offset these behind the white snowflakes. And then we're going to start embellishing our Christmas card. And you're going to notice that I'm going to glue some pieces down, and other pieces I'm just going to use the little foam squares. And the reason why I do this is because, in my opinion, adding, I don't want to say lifts and levels, adding some items that are higher than the other ones brings a sort of added elegance, I would say. Not added elegance, but I can't find the right words to it. It adds dimension to your card, and by adding dimension to your card, it makes it look more interesting. That is just my opinion. And yeah, I really do like adding dimension to all of my greeting cards. And so what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to go ahead and speed up this video, because otherwise we could be sitting here forever. I'm going to speed up the video so that you can see the remainder of the process, and there will be pictures at the end of this video. And please remember to visit my blog, where you will find lots more stuff and monthly giveaways, and I will link you to everything that you see here in the area right underneath this video. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you at the end.